new here, hi. Today I am going to be getting my life together. Hey, what are you doing in my basket? I have decided that I'm going to be creating a vision board with you guys because one, it's already March. Where is the year gone? I still think it is January. And two, I have actually been struggling extremely hard at the moment with consistency and motivation. Considering I am on my phone at least 60% of the day, it's probably more if I'm honest, like maybe 90% of the day. What better way to help that than to do a vision board? Well, I'm hoping that's gonna help anyway. Otherwise, I'm screwed. I have no motivation whatsoever. It's gone. Kapoof. Gone. Now you may be asking yourself, Shelly, what's wrong with your hair? I ask myself that every single day. Shelly, what the hell is a vision board?
So a vision board is essentially a physical or digital manifestation of your goals. Making a vision board usually involves collecting images or objects that speak to the future you want to create and arranging them in a aesthetically pleasing order to remind yourself where you're heading and what you want to achieve.
So I'm going to write down some goals in my little diary here, and hopefully I will start to see some of these goals appear this year. It'll be fun to look back on this video and see if I have completely failed or if I have succeeded. It's gonna be an absolute roller coaster. So I hope you guys enjoy the video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below so you can let me know that you enjoy my content. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram because that is where I am most of the time. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I can't stop swinging this pen around. Okay, so I've got my goals here that I'll quickly read out to you. So in 2022, I would love to reach 50,000 subscribers and I want to grow more on social media. So I guess that kind of fits together, but that's probably my main priority. So I want to stay more consistent and more motivated with social media so that it can potentially become a full-time career for me because I love it so much. I want to have a good relationship with food and exercise, and I also want to cut out foods that make me feel bad. A lot of the time I convince myself that I really want something like takeaway or something fatty, and it ends up making me bloated, run down from it, I feel crappy. So I want to try and eliminate all those foods that do that to me. I also just want to eat a lot more nutritional foods that are gonna make me fuller for the day, give me more energy, all that kind of stuff. I find that I really struggle with that, especially because I am a person that just loves a quick, easy meal. And then with exercise, I just want to walk a little bit more, get my body moving, because not only is it good for me physically, it's really good for me mentally. So I want to try and at least get out of the house every single day to move my body. Now I also want to get a new MacBook. My MacBook, which I'll show you guys in a minute, it's got a crack in the screen down the bottom, and basically that brings on this massive bar on my screen that I can't seem to get rid of. And it's been like this for like 6 months now. My storage is also suffering on my MacBook. I'm finding it hard to process a lot of my editing. I just want to get a whole new MacBook altogether, so I'm gonna try and manifest that. I want to journal more often. I feel like it can help me clear out my brain a lot. And I just feel like venting my feelings into a book is much better than venting my whole entire life story onto my poor boyfriend. He is amazing and he is so supportive, but sometimes I've just gotta grab my unnecessary emotions and put them into words on a book and then screw up the paper and throw it in the bin. I want to learn to save money more. I'm really bad at it. I splurge every time I get depressed. I need to work on that. I also want more outside time, so I really need to focus on going outside because I need that vitamin D. I also need to utilize my free time, which I guess goes into outside time. If I have a day off, which I have plenty of, I seem to just sit down, lay in bed, and do nothing about it. And then I feel bad by the end of the day and I'm like, why didn't I do this? With utilizing my free time, I more so just want to go on more adventures, just make the most out of my day instead of just sitting down and doing nothing. I really just need more outside time. I need to get outside. I need to touch the grass. So yeah, those are my goals. And now I'm going to get into creating the vision board. I'm actually really excited. This is our beautiful little bar that I was talking about earlier. It doesn't go away. It sits there all day, every day. And it is because I've got a crack down here in the screen. I was gonna do this on my laptop, but I think I'm just gonna do it on my iPad. I would not be able to look at that for the entirety of this video. So goodbye MacBook. Hello iPad. Let's do this.
and my MacBook, I'll just quickly run you through what I've got here. I've got little bits of food everywhere. So I've got an avocado and egg on toast down here. I've got matcha and coffee. I've got coffee. I've got another, what looks to be an avocado wrap. I've got another coffee, and I've got a lime water over here. This is just to encourage me to continue eating foods that are going to be more valuable towards my body instead of eating like little snacks. I also have little bits of coffee everywhere because I love coffee, and that really helps me get in the mood for motivating myself. Love a good coffee or two. I've got a quote here that says, "I am creating the life of my dreams," which is really important to remind myself of. Also this one here that says, "Maybe true happiness is when we are happy with ourselves." Another thing I need to be reminded about. Then we've got some beige activewear here to help encourage me to continue walking. We've got a random dining set here with the morning light coming in, and I really love the morning. I just find myself waking up really late in the day and then I feel guilty about it. I've got the YouTube logo down here with 50K next to it because it is my absolute goal to reach 50,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So I'm really excited about that. Hopefully it happens. Little green lake over here surrounded by green trees, and that is to inspire me to get out of the house more, to take an adventure or two and just really soak in the scenery, soak in the nature. This picture was completely random just for the aesthetics. It's like handmade plates and mugs, and I just think it's really cute. Same with the plants. Like, I love plants and I love nature, so I guess that ties into this little image over here. It's still completely random. It doesn't make any sense. Be the energy you want to attract. I think this is so important because I do forget that if I am putting out negative energy and expecting positive energy, that's not going to work. So this is a good reminder for me. I've got a MacBook here and a MacBook here because, as I said before, I do want to replace my MacBook. So I've got them there to hopefully encourage me to save money so I can get my new MacBook. The magic is in you, baby. Just a gentle reminder to myself that I am amazing. And now this is my wallpaper for my phone. Now there's a lot of similar images as well, but I've got a couple of new ones that I'll point out. So I've got the journal and the coffee there, so that's going to encourage me to write down my words. I've got another beige outfit here that I love. I love these kinds of coats, so once again I want to save up some money and get myself one of these coats. Also, I want to look this good in winter. Like, are you kidding me? I've got the YouTube and Instagram logo as well, and then the 50K down there. So I'm trying to manifest it through my phone as well. This image is purely just for aesthetics. There's no meaning behind it other than take a big fat nap, Shelly. It's okay. Be unapologetic about who you are and the value you add to this world. I am constantly forgetting the value that I add to this world, and this is a great reminder. So yeah, that's my phone wallpaper.
All right, and that is how I made my vision board. I'm actually super proud of it. Oh, Charlie's going over to suss it out. Does it look good, Charlie?
I mean, it's okay.
I definitely had a color palette in mind, and I think I did pretty well. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I just really want to focus on bettering myself, showing up as my highest priority, just kind of getting my life together a little bit more. So I'm hoping that this vision board helps me with that because I have been struggling very badly with motivation and consistency. I get to look at it every single day and be like, yes, this is what I want. What are you doing? Can you stop opening that folder? So yeah, if you are interested in that wallpaper, I will leave it on my Pinterest. I'm not sure if anyone would be, but like, just in case. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the process of that. I mean, it wasn't an interesting video, but I hope you enjoyed either way. Without further ado, I'm gonna love you and leave you guys. I shall see you in my next video next Sunday. So ciao for now.